All right, ladies and gentlemen, just a quick tutorial on how to highlight and make a note while you are reading through this next section for the chapter. Here you have each text box with the book words copied into it. As you read through, you are going to be looking for and identifying all the focus moments in this chapter, the little stories that Doll shares about the matron. So place a note with a short description next to each moment. So as you read through, for example, you're going to read through this thing we've already read. None of us dared to sit up in bed, but all eyes were on the matron now, watching to see what she was going to do next. She always had a pair of scissors hanging by a white tape from her waist. And with this, she began shaving thin slivers of soap into the palm of one hand. Then she went over to where the wretched Tweety lay and very carefully dropped these little soap flakes into his mouth. So this is a moment that Doll really points out. So what you do is you go through, delete this and you highlight it. You highlight, she went over to the wretched where Tweety lay and very carefully dropped the little soap flakes into his mouth. You then take a right click to bring up, or two fingers to bring up your options, and you add a comment. And so in this section, you can see that, she began to shave soap flakes into Tweety's open mouth. And then when you are done, you hit comment. And so now when you go through and you put this, you'll see that where it is highlighted is the moment you picked out. So as you read through, I want you to do this for each of the moments from the story.